I'm Prachi Deshpande and I welcome you to Magic Reiki module. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. As you close your eyes, start focusing on your breathing. Breathe in and breathe out as naturally as possible. Do not force yourself into breathing deeper or faster or slower. Just go with the flow. As you breathe in and breathe out, I'm going to send you Reiki on the palms of your hands. Everyone experiences Reiki in their own unique way. Once you begin to feel Reiki on the palms of both your hands, I will now send more Reiki to the palm of your right hand. Everyone experiences Reiki in their own unique way. You might feel something warm, something cold, or a tingling sensation on the palm of your right hand. Just become aware of how you're experiencing Reiki on the palm of your right hand and relax. Now place your right palm on your heart. Reiki will now take you to the past where you experienced feelings of not feeling good enough for the very first time. It can be in this life or it can be in one of your past lives. Just relax and focus on Reiki that you're experiencing on the palm of your right hand and also throughout your body. Allow Reiki to now take you to the past where you experienced sadness for the very first time. It can be in this life or it can be in one of your past lives. Allow Reiki to now take you to the past where you experienced anger for the very first time. It can be in this life or it can be in one of your past lives. Just relax and allow Reiki to flow throughout your body. And now allow Reiki to flow through your crown chakra, which is located at the top of your head. Your third eye chakra, which is located right in the middle of your forehead. Your throat chakra, which is located right in the middle of your throat. Your heart chakra, which is located right in the middle of your chest. Allow Reiki to flow through your solar plexus chakra, which is located right in the middle of your stomach. Your sacral chakra, which is located in the lower abdomen. And now allow Reiki to flow through your root chakra. Root chakra is located at the base of your spine. Allow Reiki to flow through your crown chakra, third eye chakra, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus chakra, sacral chakra, and root chakra, right from the time you're in your mother's womb, each and every day of your life, till the time you're there on this planet. And as you allow Reiki to flow throughout your body in all your chakras, think about all the people that you love and care about. Whoever you think about will receive Reiki from me right now. They could be alive or they could be in spirit. Think about as many people as you can that you really love and care about. And as you think about them, all of them will receive Reiki from me right now. This Reiki will help them feel better about themselves. And this Reiki will help them to feel happy. I'm going to stop the flow of Reiki now. Slowly bring your hand down. Become aware of your surroundings. And as and when you feel ready, you can slowly start opening your eyes. I am Prachi Deshpande and I thank you to participate in Magic Reiki module. Thank you.